We're going to look at a simple heat calculation question now. And the question is, how much energy is gained by 65 grams sample of ammonia if it is heated from 15 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius? And it lists the specific heat capacity of ammonia right there. Right here. Okay? So what we have to do is calculate the heat change. So the heat change, as we all know, heat is Q, and that's equal to the mass of the sample times the specific heat capacity of the sample times the change in temperature. A few things to look at right off the bat here. It says how much energy is gained. So right away we know we should have a positive Q value. So if we end up with a negative, we set something up wrong. It gives us the mass, 65 grams. It gives us the temperature range from 15 to 40. So the initial temperature would be 15. The final would be 40. And it gives us the C value right here, 4.70 joules per gram degree Celsius. So I'm going to go ahead and input my numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and say Q equals 65 grams times my C value of 4.70 times my change in temperature, which should be 40 minus 15, which is 25 degrees Celsius, positive 25 degree change. And it should be 0.0 because they were both 0.0. When I punch that in my calculator there, I get a Q value of 7,637.5, and that is in joules, because if we look at these grams here, cancel with the grams, degrees Celsius on the bottom, cancel with degrees Celsius on the top, and we're left with joules. Now, for proper sig figs here, there would be 3 here, 3 here, 3 all around. So when we do all out our multiplication, our answer should be reported in 3 sig figs. It might be a good idea for us here to convert this to kilojoules. So we need to divide by 1,000 or move the decimal place 1, 2, 3 places that way. So our Q would be 7.6, and we'd round this one up to 4 kilojoules with the proper sig figs. And that's it.